Hi, I'm Nick Grip with Applied Molecules. I'm just here to demo our UV Putty compared to just a standard drywall spackle. Should be much faster working time. Apply, cure, sand, and paint all within maybe 5 minutes compared to 1 to 5 hours of this. So take our product, which is a blade, press it into the hole. Wipe down. Standard UV light. 5 to 10 seconds of application. Immediately hard to the touch and sandable. Immediately after curing, apply paint, let that dry, maybe sand it one more time, apply some more paint, and be done. Compared to drywall spackle, all right, we're back the next day. Had to come back because the spackle wasn't completely dry. As you can see, our product is still looking good, painted, not rubbing off. So contact us, find us on LinkedIn, go to appliedmolecules.com. We'll be sure to get you a sample so you can test it out yourselves.